Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to combine groups in WhatsApp. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to download the WhatsApp on your mobile device. Click on the upper right corner. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're all set. The next thing is click on the WhatsApp web, because from here, just open WhatsApp on your phone, tap the menu or the three ellipses on Android device, or the cog icon settings on the iPhone, tap link devices and then link a device. And then point your phone at the screen to capture the QR code. You can also just link with your phone number or click the Get from Microsoft Store. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, once you are here, combining groups in WhatsApp can be a desirable feature for a lot of reasons. Number one is basically it can reduce the clutter in your chat list and make it easier to manage multiple conversations. That's one. Of course, if you are organizing an event or project involving multiple groups of people, combining them into one group can facilitate communication and coordination. Not only that, combining groups can ensure that everyone receives important updates, announcement, and simultaneously without the need to duplicate message across multiple groups. Say for example, this is the message that you are going to send to different groups. Why not combine all of them so it makes your life easier, right? Now, here's the message. All right, so combining groups can ensure that everyone receives important updates, announcement, without the need to duplicate messages across multiple groups. So the first thing that we are going to do for us to be able to do that is you need to hover to the left side panel of your WhatsApp and click on chats. All right, and from here, click on that and click on new group, because you would be able to combine multiple groups in one community after doing so. Click on it. And from here, all you have to do is just provide a group name. Okay. And then you also have the option to have a disappearing messages on and off, like 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days and off. And all the messages in this chat will disappear after the selected duration. Now, once you do that, what will happen is it will give you the option, all right, to select all the box above the first listed contact that's below the group section. In the bar that appears in the bottom page, select add to group. This one, add this to the group. And if you have like over 500 contacts in one group, you'll first need to click the link to select all additional records. And then you need to select the second group name, adding everyone in the first group to the second group right here. All right. And then after creating that, all the groups now had been moved into one community. All right. It's a straightforward process, really. It's not complicated. But in the event that you have like combining groups in WhatsApp, you encounter any situation that is giving a problem, all you have to do is just contact the WhatsApp support center. Just provide your phone number, your email address, and of course, what device are you using? And from here, you can enter your message below right now and tell them your situation that you are having problems combining groups in WhatsApp. Okay? And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.